How is your marketing landing? Hi everyone, Angus Pryor here, Australia's #1 Google ranked dental marketer. Now, I've just been shooting at a target and I'm trying to get it to land on that spot there. You can see there's a little spot here in the background. But I was talking to my team this week about some changes that are happening in relation to Google Ads. You know, about 10 years ago when I started this business, I used to do all the Google Ads myself and it was reasonably straightforward. It was pretty much just get things in play, set it up and off it would go. But what we're finding now is that you've got to work much harder to get people's attention in Google Ads, and importantly, to do something called a landing page. And the landing page is like a mini website, so that when you drive people to your website, they get this kind of mini website. It's called a landing page, and that's the thing that causes them to go ahead or not. You've got to work that much harder. It's like you've got to get the ball to drop into this target every single time, and that is not easy. So by all means, there are 4 steps in Google. You need ads running, you need to have a strong presence on the map, you need strong reviews, and then you need your strong organic listing. But at least in relation to Google Ads, which is the one that appears at the top of the list, it's really important to have a landing page that it's driving to. Otherwise, what we're noticing over time is that in fact the results are not what they used to be. So, how is your marketing landing? See you next time.